India's central bank to introduce features for digital rupee pilot and test cross-border payment. Report. CBDC. Crypto regulation. E-rupee. Author. Jimmy Aki. Author. Jimmy Aki. About author. Jimmy has nearly 10 years of experience as a journalist and writer in the blockchain industry. He has worked with well-known publications such as Bitcoin Magazine, CCN, and Blockonomi covering news. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. May 28, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. Domestic adoption of the e-rupee hinges on utility, not subsidies. E-rupee usage dropped 90% after subsidies ended, exposing weak demand. Private fintechs like Mintoke are outpacing the RBI by equipping banks with CBDC infrastructure ahead of the mandate. India's digital rupee is charging onto the global stage, but back home, it's fighting for survival. The RBI just launched cross-border CBDC pilots, riding a 334% surge in circulation. Yet when subsidies vanished, domestic usage collapsed by 90%, exposing a harsh truth. Without incentives, adoption crumbles. Daily transactions now crawl at just 100,000, forcing the central bank to scramble for solutions. Why subsidies failed to sustain India's digital rupee. Banks briefly met the RBI's ambitious target of 1 million daily retail transactions in December 2023, fueled by cashback incentives and digital rupee salary payouts. When the rewards disappeared, transaction volumes plummeted, revealing the gap between artificial demand and true adoption. The challenge is undeniable. By June 2024, cumulative retail payments barely crossed 1 million, a drop in the ocean for a market handling billions of unified payments interface, UPI transactions every day. Now, the RBI is staking its future on international utility. Its strategy focuses on building controlled volume corridors with key partners before expanding into multilateral settlement networks. If successful, Indian businesses could settle trade invoices instantly in a central bank digital currency, CBDC, thereby reducing fees and eliminating intermediaries, such as correspondent banks. However, private players aren't standing still. For example, major player Mintoke, backed by PayPal, spent $3.5 million to acquire DigitalEdge, India's first CBDC acquisition. This purchase equips major banks, such as HDFC, Axis, and SBI, with an e-rupee payment infrastructure. The RBI's gamble hinges on two key factors. One is making India's digital rupee indispensable in cross-border trade. The second factor is integrating the digital rupee more deeply into banking systems, without relying on subsidies for survival. Blackouts, bans, and delays. The global CBDC reality check. Governments are making big bets on digital currencies issued by central banks, CBDCs, to upgrade payment systems, but their approaches vary widely. In Washington, the House Financial Services Committee advanced the Anti-CBDC Surveillance State Act, H.R. 1919, which would bar the Federal Reserve from issuing digital dollars to consumers. Supporters, led by Tom Emmer, argue that private digital coins like stablecoins encourage innovation without government control. China is racing ahead. A new program in Zhejiang province will integrate the digital yuan into shopping malls and store openings until 2027. Officials hope people will start using it naturally when paying for everyday items. Russia, however, lags behind. Alexei Voylukov of the Presidential Academy now predicts the digital ruble won't be available until late 2026, with a full launch delayed until 2027. He warns that QR code payments will flounder unless mobile networks improve and incentives grow stronger. Europe confronts a different obstacle: unreliable power. A major power outage in Spain and Portugal in April left card machines and ATMs useless. This raises concerns about whether a digital euro would work during such failures. Although the ECB vows to offer offline capabilities, only 45% of surveyed citizens express a willingness to use them. While many countries are excited about CBDCs, real challenges, such as weak infrastructure, technical issues, and low public interest, could hinder their widespread adoption. Can India fix its crypto exodus with friendlier rules? India may soon introduce clearer, more supportive regulations for its cryptocurrency market, which is projected to reach $15 billion by 2035. The country's Supreme Court recently questioned why the government still lacks proper crypto rules, comparing Bitcoin trading to Hawala, an informal, trust-based money transfer system. Justices Suryakant and N. Kodaswar Singh, who first raised the issue 2 years ago, argued that smart regulation, rather than an outright ban, would help prevent illegal transactions. They also pointed out that India's existing 30% tax on crypto profits already gives it unofficial recognition. However, high taxes have driven traders away. Since 2022, a 30% capital gains tax and a 1% transaction fee have pushed over 90% of Indian crypto trading offshore. Now, industry leaders are lobbying for lower rates, 0.1%, and clearer rules to bring business back. With global crypto rules becoming more welcoming, Indian authorities might be open to discussion. Encouraged by this change, major players like Binance and Coinbase are re-entering India. Industry experts believe that with lighter regulations, the domestic crypto market could grow from $2.5 billion today to $15 billion by 2035. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. Which countries will test CBDC corridors with India first? Partners are likely to be major trade counterparts with active CBDC projects, such as the UAE, Singapore, or nations within the Asian Clearing Union, who prioritize efficient trade settlement. How does the e-rupee's technology differ from existing payment platforms? The e-rupee utilizes distributed ledger technology, DLT, such as blockchain, for secure token issuance and settlement, which is fundamentally different from UPI's real-time interbank messaging system that facilitates existing bank account transfers. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics, Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar Rich Dad Poor Dad author. Bitcoin is the easiest way to get rich. Even 0.01 BTC could be life-changing. Is XRP about to explode? Ripple's SEC letter could change everything. Why is crypto down today? May 29, 2025. Bitcoin news. Hyperliquid trader James Wynn exits $1.25 billion long Bitcoin bet at a loss. For days ago, by Jai Pratap. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. $16 billion real estate project goes live on XRP ledger. $500 XRP coming soon? 3 days ago, by Simon Chandler. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. XRP holds $2.31 before Memorial Day volume decline. Will reduced institutional activity spark rally to $2.75? For days ago, by Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in May 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. Best new crypto coins to invest in 2025. Top new cryptocurrencies. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 14 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3, 2025. By Alan Draper. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.